Hi guys, create a succulent gardening wall can be an explored project, especially when you look to transforming a space with low maintenance, yet beautiful plants. Succulents are not only easy to careful but when come in a wide range to shape, size, and color that make theme perfect for create advice gardening idea whether your work with a smart balcony, an outdoor cottage. Here a long outdoor area succulent are here almost anywhere with the right plants. Here are contemporary gas and idea to inspire your succulent gardening. Vertical succulent gardening. A vertical gardening is perfect for smart shape space or from a sticky focal point and a long gardening by unit wall movement. Plants, woods, frame, or even repurposed palette you can create a living wall or of succulent. How to create one? Start by use the stored frame or a circular plants with smart pick to hold the succulent. Leave it with most breaked fiber to help well keep the report up. Plants succulent like that and more compost various such as Main interest type: vertical gardening, request or bed more aspect in terms of whether demo request pouch succulent gardening. One of the simple here a way to growing succulent is an plant pouch gardening or vertical balance. You can more than area rain theme more easy. You can other for a long pot with maximum succulent or a smart individual pot. How to create one? Choose pot with good demo. As succulent do not like to sub in water. Fill that pot with a cap or succulent salt mix with farmed plants. A mix of succulent various to create textile and color scheme. Design type: play around with different shape, color, and size of pot to match your outdoor and indoor decor. Pot are request for a classic look. Concrete pot add a modern edge. Succulent group cover. Succulent can also be used as group cover in long gardening space. Type of succulent: